We are going to resurrect the dead in the month of July. We are resurrecting our dead videos. You're going to love the July challenge. It's not going to be as hard as the June challenge. I need to be serious on this because I'm going to make this a video on the channel. So I need to. In the month of May, we did the shorts challenge where you guys were supposed to upload shorts every single day. That was the month of May challenge, and most of you did very well in that challenge. Well done. In the month of June, your challenge was to watch 5 people a day. 1 video, 5 channels every single day. Most of you have done the challenge. Most of you are still struggling to finish the challenge. It's okay. You can keep doing it. You can keep doing it. In the month of July, I want you to do this. In the month of July, you're going to do a channel revival. We are going to breathe life into old videos. You are going to resurrect the dead. Now, this is how you're going to do it. I want you to go to your oldest videos in your channel. Go to your old videos. This is the challenge. Knowing what you know now about content creation, you are going to go to your studio. You're going to put that video in unlisted. You're going to change the title of that video. You're going to put a description on that video, a new one. You're going to change the thumbnail of that video. Design a new thumbnail for that video. Well, all these things are unlisted. Okay? Put tags in that video, knowing what you know now about content creation. Schedule it to go public after 2 days. Like any change you make on a video triggers the algorithm. It will look like you've done some video. You've uploaded a new video. It's just that the video was there. The video was there all along, but by you changing the title, by you changing the description of the video, by you adding new tags, and by you changing the thumbnail of that video, you are going to breathe life into that new video. Once that video goes public and you have published it, I'm going to give you an extra challenge. I want you to remix that video into a short of 10 seconds. Any video on YouTube can be remixed into a short. You go to your channel, click on your videos. Any video on your channel has this thing written remix. Are you seeing it? That part, remix. When you click on that remix, you can remix that video into a short. I'm giving you a target of 15 videos in total for the month of July. So this comes to about 2 to 3 videos per week. So every single week, you're going to pick 2 to 3 videos and you're going to breathe life into them. You're going to change the title. You're going to change the thumbnails. You're going to add a description. You're going to increase tags. You're going to do anything that can breathe life into an old video. Do all these things when that video is in private for 2 days or in an unlisted for 2 days. And then you make it public. Schedule a day is going to go public. From private to public or from unlisted to public. Are the instructions clear? That is the challenge that I want you guys to do in the month of July. And I wish you the best. Record it. It is very practical. It is going to make you guys get better at editing. It is going to make you guys get better at putting proper titles and thumbnails and tags. So every class that I'll be teaching in the month of July will be helping you do the challenge.